How to insert signature image in Word document. Watch this video to the end. Learn to add your handwritten signature image to any Word doc in under 60 seconds. First, open your Word document. Have a clear photo of your signature saved on your computer. Use good lighting and a plain white background. Go to Insert Pictures, then click on this device. Find your signature image and click Insert. It won't look right yet. Keep watching. Here's the secret. Click Layout Options icon next to Image. Then select in front of text. Now you can drag your signature anywhere over text or blank space. Click the image, open Picture Format, select Crop, and drag the handles tight around your signature to remove extra white space. Resize by dragging corner handles while holding Shift to keep it natural. You just added a real signature without printing. If this saved you time, subscribe.